Okay, so in this tutorial, we are going to see how we can reverse a string using stack in Java. So this is the input string, Sublime text, and then this is the output string, which is the reverse of this one. T comes here, T comes first, X E capital T space E M I L B U S. So okay, this question I was asking in interviews during last week. So this I'm just asking to check whether the candidate has good problem solving skills or not. So this I'm not checking for. This program is not for checking the efficiency of the logic. This question is to just check the problem solving abilities of the candidate. So okay, first we will see what is the unique feature of stack. Okay, I just got this image from Google Images. So okay, first I'll start. So stack looks like this. So it looks like looks like an empty vessel you can think of. So what happens? This is the empty stack, and then I'm pushing one to the stack. So whenever you put something in the vessel, it comes to the bottom. So like this, I'm pushing one to the stack, which means I'm inserting one. So now it comes to the bottom here, and then again I'm pushing 2. So now 2 comes to the top. Similar to that in visual, if you put something, I mean something next time, so it just comes on top of the whichever you put on first. So the same feature here. So 2 comes on top and 1 comes on below. Now whenever you pop, which means whenever you take item from the stack, so which is coming which comes first is 2. So this is the feature. Stack has a last in first out feature, which means whichever is inserted at the last will come first whenever you try to remove that. So in this case, 1 is inserted first and then 2 is inserted next. So 2 is inserted last. And now whenever you want to pop, you want to remove the elements from the stack. So first you get is what? 2. And then the next you get is 1. So this is the feature of stack. So this last in first out feature of the stack can also be used to reverse a string. So this is how it happens. So now what I'm going to do. So first I'm going to push each character from the input string to the stack. So I'm just going to use an Excel to mimic the stack. So okay, this is the stack you can consider. So that total how many 13 characters are there, 12 characters are there. So I will start from 13. So now whenever I read, so S I will insert to the stack, and then I will insert U, and then I will insert B, L, I, M, E, and then there is a space. So I will give a space, and then T is inserted, and then E, then X, and then T. So now whenever you iterate through each input string character, and then when you push to stack, the stack looks like this. And now whenever you pop, I mean whenever you remove character from the stack, what happens? So now I'm just calling the function stack dot pop, means stack dot remove. So I get T first, and then I get X, and then E, and then T, and then there is space E M I L B U S. So this is what exactly I need. So let's write the program. So now I'll take a stack character, a stack, new stack. So stack is a inbuilt data structure provided by Java. So now I just created a stack instance, and now so I'll take a sorry, string str equal to, I'll just take the string. Sublime Text, and then so I'm going to create a character array, reverse new char share dot length. So I created a character array which is of size the input string. Now what I'm going to do, int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length, I plus plus reverse of, sorry, a stack dot push str dot caret I. So what I just did is this one. So I'm reading each character and then I'm pushing to the stack. So the stack now looks like this. So the next step I'm going to do is pop the items from the stack. So I'll do like this. So I'm going to take a variable int I equal to 0. So while stack is empty, so is not empty, until stack is not empty, just pop the characters from the stack. So and then I will add to the character array reverse of I plus plus equal to a stack dot pop. So now we fill the reverse array. Now I'm going to print the string out of that array. So s out new string reverse. I'm just going to run this one. So now you can see. So the logic is just simple, but you just need to know the feature of stack lost in first out. So I will iterate again. So I'm going to read through the string character by character, and then I will push each character to the stack, and then I will pop each character from the stack. That's it. Since it is a lost in first out, so you don't have to do anything extra. You just insert into the push to the stack and then pop from the stack. That's it. This solves the problem. Thanks for watching.